breathing new life, regenerating lungs with stem cells. For millions suffering from lung diseases like emphysema and COPD, every breath can be a struggle. But what if we could help our lungs heal themselves? Scientists are developing revolutionary small molecule drugs that awaken our body's own lung stem cells. These cells, called AEC2s, can then repair damaged tissue and even grow new lung cells. It's like giving your lungs a fresh start, offering a breath of fresh air for those who need it most. AEC2s are specialized cells found in the alveoli, the tiny air sacs in the lungs where gas exchange occurs. AEC2s are capable of self-renewing, providing immune response and structural maintenance, producing extracellular matrix components.
Thank you for watching. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.